All right, so now we can do a multiple join here. Here we want to do the order quantity, ship date, first name, and last name for any customer that purchased product 944. So here you recognize that we're going to have to pull these fields from multiple tables. We're going to need the product table. We're going to need the sales order detail table. We're going to need the sales order header table. And then we'll need that customer table. So we're going to be joining 4 tables together. Let's see how we can do that. All right, so what did we want? We want our order quantity, ship date, and then first name, last name. And we're going to be starting with product. So product is the first one we want. And we will do a left join. On order detail. So the product is linked to the order detail. On so let's see the product. Product ID equals sales order detail product ID. Okay. And then we're going to connect another table, left join. And this time we'll connect to the sales order header. And then on the sales order detail, sales order ID. So we're connecting sales order detail. So we're basically left joining, we're daisy chaining these to a certain degree. Left joining the sales order detail to the sales order header. Next. Sales order detail, sales order ID equals sales order header. Sales order ID. Okay. Next, we want to bring in our 4th table, and that's going to be our customer. So left join sales LT customer on, and this time we'll connect the sales order header customer ID to the customer table customer ID. All right. So that's a lot of joins, right? Okay, and I'm going to put an empty space in here just to help space things out a little bit, and that is always fine in your query. All right, so we've done all of our selects, we've connected all our tables together, and now we really just want our where, and in this case where the customer, or no, the product ID, so sales LT product equals 944. All right, so then we can return and we run that invalid ID. Sales order LT product dot product ID equals 944. And there we've got our orders for that particular product. All right. So you can use joins to your heart's content, although when you're dealing with transaction systems, you have to use a lot of joins to put a query together, and sometimes that can affect the performance of your transaction system. This is a small enough database that that's not a problem, but if you've got a giant database with millions of customers and millions of transactions, then it can become quite the lengthy process. All right, so we've done our multiple joins here. Let's go back and see what we want to do next.